in the country because they lie them and the things them and the picture them want to paint. Like say, what is so wrong with Jamaica? I don't want to come here. I'm going to tell you something. You know what's wrong with Jamaica? When someone no left here, did bush. When someone no left here, we have one road we have when time you pass on the road. You have to park up somewhere for your next vehicle pass. You hear? Now Jamaica have highways and byways. You hear? Now Jamaica have so much airport that we don't know which part to land. Now Jamaica have so much traffic that from 12 o'clock in the day we have traffic jam till 12 o'clock in the night. That's no problem. We don't take long for reach our yard. Jamaica is living uprising, and that's why we are trying to cut down the little things and we are going. So tourists, we're not cutting down things we are going because Jamaica is that bad. We're cutting down things that is going on because we want Jamaica to be a country that in the garrison here they want to call ghetto. Ghetto people have to push over upon them bed for tourists come